Influence here, and today I got Condor from M.A.S.K. This is the Loyal Subjects new release. Yes, I have the gift pack, so I have all 4 vehicles, and man, like it's great to have these, but they're not without issues to me. Now, all the criticisms, you know, I do a review and I criticize it. I love having these. I'm glad I got them. I will be displaying them. I wanted M.A.S.K. figures forever, but that doesn't negate the fact that it seems like they just took the old molds and just remolded them, and all the issues and everything. There's some extras here and stuff like that, but everything, like with the vehicles and things, from what I remember playing with them, it seems the same. Like exactly the same, and I kind of a little disappointed in that.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So accessories first, we got directions. Didn't really need them, but I did look through them just in case there was other things. You get a mask, you get 2 masks. So you got this mask with the thing, I don't remember what that is, shooting out or whatever. I have no idea. You get some blast effects that go on the front. I will show that in a minute. You get this. You can see the tire smoke. Looks pretty good. It's nice. It's a nice touch. I will be displaying it. It does actually keep it up a little better than just the kickstand as well. But the kickstand still stays without needing it. Rolls. Oh, let me show the box. So the box, man, it's kind of nostalgic. I don't remember exactly, but I think this is how the boxes look. Subscribe. And I can say all of them do come with good extras. And you have the figure. Take his helmet off. You get this helmet as well, which is the normal helmet. And here he is, Brad Turner. So you have Brad Turner here. You can see his face. They have painted the faces. So articulation does have some good articulation too. You got side to side, normal human being stuff. You go up about that. He gets his arm 360, no other articulation. Legs go out to there. I saw some people broke the legs on some of their figures, so I will be careful. You got the knees, and that's about it. So let me stand him up and let me compare this vehicle to, or not just a vehicle. So this is Ramen Toys M.A.S.K. figure, and you can see they do have Ramen Toys is way better than these. I can say that, but I mean, for the price, again, it should be. So that's not lost on me, I should say. But yeah, it does have more articulation and it is a little bigger. Let me see with the mask on. Of course, the way they did it, you have to take the head off. The mask is just on the actual ball joint, so the head is in the box because I wanted to keep the mask on. So it's not that much bigger with the mask. You can see, compare them. I think it's fine personally. So move him aside, and then you see the vehicle. All of them also come with stickers that you have to put on. So this was a sticker, and there wasn't many stickers for the, and 2 M.A.S.K. stickers on each side. So other than that, that was pretty much it. And this is a simple transformation. Let's move that up, move this out, and pull the blades up. And as you can see, this right here, these blades move. They do kind of bend because they don't fully extend. They have, like, you see where it is. And these also, concerned, they kind of look like stress marks, but I'm not sure if that's what it is. And right here with the kind of plastic spring. Like they look stressed. So going back and forth, it could be an issue. I'm gonna display it like this. Oh, you also got to pull this out. I forgot, because then it actually keeps it from falling back. And there you are with the vehicle. You can also, as you saw in the beginning, you can stick him in here. Like, you probably should do it while this is down, and then move that up, and now he's in the seat. Put his arms up, and there he is. I mean, really, and you have the blast effect here. So that's pretty cool. What happened? Oh, my kickstand never came back out. So now I compare it to the ramen toys, just so you can see a little. And like I said, this is infinitely better built than all of the new M.A.S.K figures. Again, I don't know any history on these. I don't know if they just took the molds, Loyal Subjects, and just redid them. And maybe that is mold degradation. Degradation. Okay, can't say that word. But I don't know. Uh-oh, his blast effects came out. Just as a sneak peek, let me bring the rest of the vehicles in so you can see what they look like. And like I said, they all have issues, but it's just great to have these guys. And you can even add the shark in with it. And there you go with them together. That's pretty much it for Condor review. Like I said, it's not without its flaws, but if you're looking for some M.A.S.K vehicles, I don't know if you're gonna find any besides buying the old ones. And maybe that might be better for you. I'm not sure. All right, so I'll get over with you in the next one.
You know, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.